Hi, this is Craig with Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Courtney, and we're going to be tasting the ice cream mango today. Ice cream mango is one that is very highly regarded by mango connoisseurs because it's on the spicy end. These came off of my tree, and I have not been doing a really good job of figuring out when to pick them, whether they're supposed to still be green or get fully yellowed. These were picked pretty green, so wow, that's not what I was expecting at all. This is very good. It has a very pineapple-y type of flavor. There's a spiciness to it. It's not as spicy as I thought it was going to be because of everything I've heard about it. But it does have some spice.
It's like a little, like you have it and then after you finished it, there's a bit of a
spicy aftertaste. It is better than I thought it was going to be because because this one looked terrible. This has been picked green and it sat for a long time on my counter until it's probably overly ripe and it's getting kind of mushy almost even. But it's still really good. Celeste, you want to taste this?
Sure. Yeah, it's good.
So I always put the primarily flavor in. Pineapple, orange.
It's got a bit of an old flavor to it.
Well, it may be. I mean, this, like I said, this is a terrible example of an ice cream because we weren't really even going to video this because we thought, oh, this isn't going to be a good one, but it turned out to be pretty good. I was expecting it to be a lot spicier, and it's not that spicy. It definitely has some.
It's spicy.
You found it spicy? Okay, I mean, it's definitely got some. It's got a little bit of resin. And again, this one's mushy because I waited too long. I have another one. Let me grab the other one and see if it's any different. This one's also kind of been sitting along out there too long. Ice cream is a dwarf or a semi-dwarf tree, and the tree itself has a lot of issues with anthracnose getting on the tree, just like way worse than a lot of other ones do. So it can be a finicky fruit to grow because the tree is high maintenance, but this one even tastes more overripe than the last one. However, you can see on here I'm getting a lot of that pitting around the seed there that's usually an indicator of overripeness. Even though it's kind of getting on the mushy side, it still has a very good flavor to it. And you can see, I mean, the anthracnose is getting in this one, so I'm having to cut off a lot of it to make it palatable. You want to try this, Brooke?
Oh, give me a big piece.
I did give you a big piece. What do you think?
Not really.
Well, it is
really
overripe.
Good or bad.
It kind of tastes like the pineapple that's in a fruit cocktail. Right? No, you don't think so?
I don't think so. But it may
that's
just be
part
the
of the mushiness from being overripe.
Yeah. Almost all I'm getting is like that overripe flavor.
Did you get?
I didn't try any of that one. Do I want to or no?
It's
Not
about
bad.
the same.
I mean, ice cream is a really complex mango. If you like complex flavored
Yeah.
mangoes, it's a good one.
But to me, it's complex without having a lot of the ones that are really complex. To me, are overly resinous, and this one is not overly resinous. So
7.5.
I'll probably give it 8.5 to 9. And I'm giving it a little bit of extra, hoping that had I gotten this ripened correctly, it would have been even better. But I'm gonna give it a number.
I mean, just based on these, I'd give it like maybe a 4.
4. Well, most of our stuff only gets a 2, so that's double what most of yours are. Anyway, I apologize, ice cream fans out there, for this one not getting a fair shake. I may add on to this one when I get another one off my tree that's perfectly ripened. But to me, if it's that good when it's this overripe, then it's probably got a lot of potential. So I'm going to keep my tree and keep growing them and keep eating them. So that's all I got then. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.